Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Coursera account. The process is pretty easy. I'll show you how. Let's get started. But before that, be sure you've already installed the app and created an account. If you haven't already, then you can go through our other tutorials. We've also uploaded tutorials on how to install the Coursera app and how to create a new account. Now let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open the Coursera app on your phone. You'll see this login page on your screen. As you can see, you can either log in with your Google account or your Facebook account, and you can also log in with your email. I created my account with an email address, so I'll simply tap on the login with email option. You can choose whichever option's the best for you. Now here you'll have to enter your email address and your password, the email that you used to create the account. So I'll type that real quick, and then on this box type your password. After you're done, simply tap on the login option. Wait for it to load and you've been logged into your account. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.